Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is unconditional love. The world, the Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ wants to say that you're unconditionally loved. I know you've been feeling it because you've been becoming a greater version of yourself every day, physically, emotionally, spiritually. You think better, you think stronger. Your appearance, your physical appearance is getting better every day. Your skin is glowing. Your intellect, your manifestations, you're putting in the work. The things that you had in your head, the service that you had in your head is becoming true. You're actually building the foundation. You want to find your purpose, continue to fall in love with your service. Now, when you find unconditional love, you feel that you need to be able to show that unconditional love to the rest of the world. See the child in every other human being in the world. The eyes, that's the gateway to the soul. And if you look into someone's eye, you can see the child within them. Therefore, you can forgive, you can understand, and continue to make sure they feel love so they can be their better selves. That's one thing that we can do because you've been forgiven so much for things that we don't even want to speak of. So there's no reason, no matter the age, that we cannot forgive others by seeing the child inside of them, because we're all children, no matter the age. My heart is free from resentment towards others. Forgiveness is going to help you skyrocket to the next level, Pisces. This is going to unlock your gifts and make sure that you're rock solid. Your foundations are great. Continue to lock in on unconditional love. I open my eyes of my heart and discover the light and beauty in every being. That child, we never want to hurt children. We only want to help and understand them, teach them in a loving way. I'm aware and forgiving also. I'm aware that suffering can cause distress and hurting people. Hurt people, hurt people. You're a healing spirit. Therefore, your service is to heal people. That's your purpose. Fall in love with your service. Life's going to feel like living. It's going to feel amazing instead of surviving and wondering and being upset. You're the king of the zodiac. You embody all of the zodiacs. Therefore, you're the standard. You're the leader. Be that healer. I see the pure child in everyone. I practice forgiveness. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I love you too.